Have you ever gone out to your yard and noticed you've got a whole section that's starting to look dry or maybe even already starting to die? And after all the time you've spent, after all the money you've spent trying to get this yard looking good and keeping it looking good, you notice that I've got a zone knot coming on. And that's usually what the case is. You've got some sort of problem with one of your sprinkler valves. That's why you've got a whole section not working. And most of the time, the culprit is the solenoid of your sprinkler valve. Now, these simply come off, but after some time, these actually can go bad. You may have a power surge, the splices may be bad. There's a lot of different reasons of why these can go bad, but if your solenoid is bad, your zone is not going to come on your automatic sprinkler system. Therefore, you're going to have a big section that's drying out. Now, we've put together a solenoid rescue blueprint that you can get. There's a link in the description below, and we walk you through step by step of how to identify if your solenoid is good or not, how to figure out which brand you have. That way, you make sure that you buy the right one at the hardware store or online if you're buying them online, and then we show you how to replace it, test it, and make sure everything is good. We walk you through step by step on this guide. It's down there in the description. If you've got a zone knot coming on and you need some help to fix it, I think this guide is going to help. It's going to help you fix the problem, get your yard back in shape and looking good the way it should be.